Ever wondered why some tattoos fade while others stay vibrant for years? Or why some tattoos appear raised or bumpy? Let's delve into the world of tattooing to demystify these common misconceptions and to make your tattoo journey smoother and more enjoyable. The world of tattooing is full of intricacies and nuances that often go unnoticed. But worry not, dear listener, for today we will lift the veil and reveal the secrets beneath. The first secret lies in the choice of ink. Not all inks are created equal. Some fade faster than others, while some may cause allergic reactions. So, always opt for high-quality inks. They might be a bit pricier, but the payoff in longevity and safety is worth the extra cost. Next, we move on to the needle. A common misconception is that a deeper needle penetration results in a longer-lasting tattoo. This is not true. Too deep and your tattoo might scar. Too shallow and your tattoo might fade quickly. So, perfecting the needle depth is crucial. It should be just enough to deposit the ink in the dermis, the second layer of your skin. Now, let's talk about aftercare. Proper aftercare can make or break a tattoo. It involves cleaning the tattoo, applying ointment, and protecting it from the sun. But remember, each body is different, and what works for one might not work for another. So, listen to your body and tailor your aftercare routine accordingly. Hydration is another vital aspect of tattoo care. Keep your skin hydrated both internally and externally. Drink plenty of water and moisturize your skin regularly. A well-hydrated skin will hold the tattoo better and make it last longer. Last but not least, patience. Tattooing is an art, and like all arts, it cannot be rushed. Give your tattoo the time it needs to heal. Rushing the process can result in a tattoo that looks rushed. To summarize, the longevity and quality of a tattoo depend on various factors. The choice of ink, the needle depth, proper aftercare, hydration, and patience. Understanding these factors can help avoid common tattoo problems and ensure that your tattoo remains vibrant and beautiful for years to come. Remember, a tattoo is not just a piece of art on your skin, it's a part of you. So treat it with the care and respect it deserves. Happy tattooing!